Well, it's my favorite time of year. The ice is off the lake and we can finally get back up and open the place up and get ready for spring. The water in the lake is super high this year, higher than we've seen it for a long time. There was lots of wildlife, and the paddle across felt great. First order of business, get a fire started and warm up. Then the cleaning begins. Always a bit of time for some fun though. Well, I think I've officially made it as a YouTuber. Somebody sent me something for free. Like anybody, I like free stuff. And these lights seem to be quite good quality. The cabling is quite heavy and is outdoor rated. The bulbs are LED, 2 watts apiece. There are 18 sockets, so that's 36 watts for the whole string. And it's 48 feet long, which is perfect because our outdoor porch is almost 10 by 10 by 10 by 10. We had fun putting them up, and as you can see, the results at nighttime were quite pleasant. We weren't paid to make this video, we just got a set of free lights, but we did agree to put a link to the product in our description. So if you're interested, have a look. We don't make a cent if you buy them, but they seem to be quite well made and nice. As always, thanks very much for coming along. Hopefully you liked the video. If you did, share it with one of your friends, and we'll see you next time on Ontario Lakeside.